no matter if it's a new build, a renovation, or simply a chef wants to renovate their kitchen, rework their line to become more efficient, that's what our team does. Our company is broken down into 3 different divisions, supporting the life cycle and every function of essentially a restaurant or a commercial kitchen. The first part of our business is the upfront side, which is the design and consultation. The second part is the equipment, distribution, installation, and then the third part is the service maintenance. So we have in-house sales team, in-house designers, and ex-chefs that will partner with chefs, institutions, cafeterias, you name it, to make their reality. So we'll sit with them, understand what their goal is, and then work with them hand in hand to make it a reality. We will specify the equipment list that they need to execute their menu efficiently. We'll develop a floor plan specifying each piece of equipment, where it's gonna go on the floor plan, an equipment schedule, and then from there, if the customer wants it or they need it, it's typically critical for cost savings and efficiency when it comes to construction is developing coordination drawings. So we'll provide fully coordinated electrical rough-in drawings, fully coordinated plumbing rough-in drawings, special conditions, mechanical connections, and then if the customer wants it, which we find to be very helpful, we do 3D drawings so they can see what their kitchen's gonna look like, work with our design team to see what it's gonna look like at the end. So we're an equipment dealer certified for over 300 different brands. Cost-effective equipment to as high-end premium, you name it, we've got it covered. And it really covers anything that could possibly be found within a kitchen, a bar, across the board. Exhaust hoods from the exhaust ventilation side, makeup air units, exhaust fans, fire suppression, under the hood, cooking suites, griddles, ranges, ovens, combi ovens, steamers, pasta cookers, fryers, anything, right? And then from the refrigeration side, stainless steel, we've got that all covered. And then additionally, we do a significant amount of refrigeration work from the walk-in side for restaurants, facilities, as well as even industrial warehouse refrigeration. We work on those type of projects as well. We also have a fully staffed installation team, providing a complete turnkey installation for our customers, taking the pressure off of them, putting it on us because that's what we do every single day, all day long. That leads into the last part of our business, which is the service side of things. I say it all the time, no matter what equipment you buy, whether it is the highest quality or premium equipment in the world, or it's something that's a very cost-effective or economy piece of equipment, there is going to come a time that it is going to break down. What we've done is we've built out our in-house service division where we are certified for many different companies to provide warranty service, as well as just about anybody to do post-warranty aftermarket. If it's an emergency, we'll go there, we'll evaluate the situation, determine what needs to be taken care of, get parts, get the customer back up and running as quickly as possible. HRI is based out of Erie, Pennsylvania, 30 minutes from New York, 30 minutes from Ohio. We're an hour and a half from Buffalo, an hour and a half from Cleveland, 2 hours from Pittsburgh. That right now is our footprint of customers that we serve on an everyday basis. We do have partnerships through other installation companies all across the country. We can still supply the equipment, bring it into our warehouse, project management remotely, and then coordinate with an on-site team in that region to have a truck basically deliver the equipment, and then we'll have somebody contracted in that area, whether it's even our team flying out there or it's a local team to then install it. And then from a design side of things, we've begun to do a lot of designs remotely. And it's no different than sitting together at a table going through the designs. We'll put the drawing set together, we'll review it with you guys online, and if you want us to come to you, we will, but we're able to do a lot of the design work even remotely. No project really scares us. We believe through detailed planning, being organized, we can bring any project to reality. And one of our sayings at HRI is, where other people call hell, we call home, because we understand that this is complex and we understand that this stuff's not easy, but we're here to ensure that it does go well and it is easy for the customer.